Ogbonge government don't officially give carry go. Say finally, that 40% peculiar allawee where federal civil servants don't they wait for more than 2 years now. Say, oh yeah, me they pay them the 40% allawee after serious pressure and threat from different labor joint body on the mind of government. This carry go they come after a long meeting on Tuesday where the Madam Head of Civil Service of the country, Esther Jack, personally lead over the meeting for conference hall of our office inside Abuja. For the meeting, the National Salaries, Incomes and Wages Commission, NSIWC, being officially released the circular on how they go take pay this allawee, and they have ended the nearly 2 years when workers don't they ginger, they struggle, they para, so that they delay their adjustment we get to do with the new 70,000 naira minimum salary structure. This meeting also give opportunity for the leaders of the Joint National Public Service Negotiating Council, JNPSNC, the trade union side, with their national chairman, Benjamin Uyanto, and the executive chairman of the National Salaries, Incomes and Wages Commission, Oga Eyo Nta, to come and talk their own side before Madam Head of Service got involved into the matter to arrange this agreement where all of the sides them can say it makes sense for them. Both Uyanto and Nta Kontuale for Madam Head of Service for the way she take involved in matter say it is very important as for him to settle this quarrel between them. After all of that talk, then they can carry implementation circular table. That's not the timetable of how they go take pay this money of the 40% peculiar allowance officially give them to the leaders of the JNPSNC. As they confirm all of this in a talk with Tori people, the national secretary of the JNPSNC, the trade union side, Olawoyo Benga, can say the result of this meeting a major win for Nigerian workers and positive step to make worker life more better even with the economic hardship. According to him, if they begin pay this allawee, it go start from May 1, 2026. After work has been done, they wait since July 2024 for this change to show in the new minimum wage structure. It can ginger state governments to also make use of this timetable so that workers inside state and local government can also enjoy from these goodies.